Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a side view mirror glass. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure you have the correct replacement mirror glass for your specific vehicle model. Working in a well-lit area will help you clearly see all the components and connections, making the process much smoother and safer. This simple repair can save you money. To begin, gently pry the old mirror glass from its housing. Start at the edges, using a trim removal tool to avoid damaging the paint or plastic. Once the glass is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical wires that might be attached, such as those for heating elements or auto-dimming features. Be sure to remove any remaining adhesive or small broken glass fragments from the housing to ensure a clean surface for the new mirror. Now, connect the electrical wires to the corresponding terminals on your new mirror glass. Ensure a secure connection for proper functionality. Carefully align the new mirror glass with the housing clips or mounting points. Once aligned, apply firm, even pressure to the center of the glass until it snaps securely into place. You should hear a click, indicating it's properly seated. After installation, it's crucial to test the mirror's adjustment. Use your vehicle's controls to ensure it moves freely and correctly. If your mirror has heating or auto-dimming features, test those as well to confirm they are working. Finally, clean the new mirror glass with a suitable glass cleaner for optimal visibility. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.